What's up,
bros?
Today I'm gonna teach you a very simple Italian recipe.
Let's just stop right there. Popular Italian YouTube bassist Davie504 recently released a video where he makes focaccia bread. But in this video, he doesn't even touch a bass. He barely even slaps the loaf once. Any true OG who remembers Davie504's channel from before it was a cooking channel will remember that Davie plays the bass. You'll remember, for example, that in his spaghetti video, he said,
To make the spaghetti taste better, you have to take your bass and play this song.
Has Davie gone soft? Has he forgotten the power of bass? Here at Coconuts in the Kitchen, we took it upon ourselves to find out. Armed with only our culinary expertise and distinguished taste testers, come with us as we delve into the world of focaccia, except with bass.
Sup, bros? Epic cookers in the kitchen. I'm gonna make Davie504's recipe the same way he made it, except for I'm gonna do one without bass and one with bass. And then we're gonna have our taste tester, little coconut, figure out if it is worth it to add the bass. I think it will be, and I think Davie was a fool for forgetting it this time. Or maybe he didn't forget it, maybe he knows more about bass than me. We're just gonna have to find out. Watch the full video, don't skip. Wash your hands with olive oil. And I mean, who am I to question the methods here? It's like a good amount. So you get under the nails. Pretty simple recipe. So he said 600 grams of flour, 25 yeasts, 15 G's, 15 big ones. Mr. 504 called for 440 grams. 460, whoops. Get it out of there, get it out of there!
I always think you're eyeballing it.
I would normally need this all by hand, but Mr. 504 has he has a, what do you call it?
Mixer.
No, it's a priority, oh my gosh, what is it called? Dad, what is it called? Proprietary, thank you. But Davie504 has a Davie504 has proprietary method.
Looks like flour.
Shouldn't, something must be going wrong.
Not a joke.
No.
I don't know. I'm not an expert bread maker or an Italian bassist, but I think it looks like it needs more oil.
And you just may be an Italian bassist yet, Luke.
Hey, yeah. Grams of that bad boy.
Gotta get as similar of bowls as I possibly can. I think these two are reasonably similar. Let's split this exactly down the middle. We gotta be scientific about this.
Now we need to set these aside for about 2 hours, and one of them needs some bass. I couldn't think of a more appropriate way to do it than listening to Davie slapping the bass. I went ahead and used his video slapping the bass for 5 hours straight.
Put one over here.
I need the bass.
We've got bass and no bass. Hey guys.
Hey, smells like bread happening up here.
Yeah, this one had bass played to it, and this one had no bass played to it. Here's our boy with bass. Man, he already just looks happier, doesn't he?
Aww. Yay!
Get formed into a ball once again.
Art.
Yucky. Epic.
Yeah.
All right, now it's just gotta go for half an hour.
Raw talent.
We'll speed it up and make it look really cool.
All right, now it is time for slap. Do some slaps. And then we get to poke. Would you agree that those are equal amounts of salt, or is one of them need more?
Looks pretty equivalent to me.
Okay. Everything is exactly the same, except for the base. Equal amounts. Nice.
No bass. Yes, Bass.
Very impressive. That smells really good, Ty. I don't know about you, but I'm thinking the no base bread is gonna be a little better.
You know, there was a time where I thought you were smart. All right, so before we actually eat it, I do want to mention that with the base got a lot more golden brown.
It did, actually.
I don't notice a big difference in the crumb. Crumb looks the same. All right, guys, want some hot focaccia?
Bring in the boys! The boys, the
Close your
boys, the
eyes.
boys,
I
the
will-
boys. Tie it over their heads, you need to have it say, the boys.
Boys. All right, boys. All the boys.
I like the fruity pebbles on it.
That, my friend, is Himalayan pink salt.
It's actually Fruity Pebbles.
Only harvested in the Himalayas. Very rare material. Saw it in a
I'm going
movie
for
once.
the base one.
No base.
No base.
What?
I'm not about that base. Just kidding. Just good balance of base, you know.
This is baked at 420.
This is baked at 210.
Yeah, it's just good salty bread.
No, it's great. I love it.
I'd love this with some pineapple pizza.
Hey, man, can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
Why don't you go home and stop bothering us?
Alright, no base.
Wait, Van, you're already home.
Did you guys try both of them to be able to tell us which one's better?
The base one's better.
Wait.
You have to try one of each, so you have to be able to tell us which one is better and why it's the base one.
The base one is more golden brown, and I got more salt on my piece, so I like that one more.
I think that the slice I got from the base piece does actually taste a little better. Not gonna lie.
I'd have to
Is it just a
agree.
great quality piece?
No, I think it's a
But it's-
totally different piece of bread.
It
This
is
one, the look is just so much more.
more of a
beautiful.
bread. Like,
Yeah.
Do I
A
have
classic
to
what's
baked
happening over
bread.
here? I don't know.
That one's just
not a
healthier.
bready look.
That
Exactly.
one's just very
Finish
happy.
the non-base one?
What's that?
Do I have to finish non-base?
No, you don't have to finish. No, you don't have to finish it at all.
It's still
important
better
to have
than this
A
bread.
firm base in your life. If you don't have a firm base, you'll crumble.
This is a good shot. You can put words to the side of Colin. Say what it's like to have a firm foundation.
So, Mr. 504, you should have played bass to your. I can't even say it. I don't remember what it was called.
Frittata.
Focaccia. Kakuna frittata.
What a wonderful friend.
Play bass to it. Find whatever you can to play bass to it. It makes it way better.
Okay, we need to find coconut.
Place I don't know.
There she is! Oh my gosh! It's Coconut! We found her! It's Coconut! Coconut the dog! Are you ready to be famous on YouTube, Coconut?
Okay. Which one do you like more? This one? Oh, she picked the base one. Good job, Coconut. Wow, what a good girl. Yeah. Which one do you want? The base one? Oh, what a good girl. She picked the base one twice in a row. What a good pup. I think we've seen all we need to see here.
After all your experimentation, what's your final conclusion?
That I will now be playing bass to all of my food for the rest of my life.
Do you accept or reject your previous hypothesis?
Oh, the previous hypothesis was confirmed. Absolutely. I'm a genius. Davie504, Mr. 504. He's got nothing. He's got nothing for you. Subscribe to my channel, not his. Or just both. Thank you for your time.